Hi guys, NCWQ here, and this video is for Alaska for the date of 10/6/2019. The time here is 4:46 p.m. Eastern Coast Time for the United States. And also, this is information coming from EMSC. And you can also look on UAF, Alaska Earthquake Center, to find all of the earthquakes for today. So the first quake we're going to look at is a 3.5 Central Alaska. This quake is happening along Bukasna Creek. Brukashna. Think I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I'm sure you'll let me know. The next earthquake was a 2.3 Central Alaska. And this is happening at Moose's Tooth, the Rooster Comb, and Mount Kudak. So we're going to do a tilt here. And this is Denali State Park. The next earthquake was a 3.5 Southeastern Alaska. This is moving down towards Washington State area. We can look and see that Washington State is down here. So this is British Columbia. And then Washington State is here. So this is right here, moving into Canada, Alaska area. It was a 3.5. And it says Glacier Bay National Park Land Reservoir. The next one was a 2.8. And this is in northern Alaska. And this is Port Clarence over here. And this is Mary's Igloo. And this is Bering Land Bridge National Preserve. The last one was a 2.5, northern Alaska. To me, this is in an odd spot. And this is over by Otoktok River. It's not very hilly through here. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're doing well, day or night, wherever you are in the world. Much love.